Balloon by Bob Razka. When it first slipped out of my hand, I was sad to see my balloon floating away. But as it rose higher in the sky, I imagined it landing in some faraway yard, where a kid like me would find it and wonder how far the balloon had flown and who held it last. And that thought made me smile. The arrow and the song. I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow it in its flight. I breathed a song into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For who has sight so keen and strong that it can follow the flight of song? Long, long afterward, in an oak, I found the arrow, still unbroke, and the song, from beginning to end, I found again in the heart of a friend. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Better fun. Cruising this river on a rubber boat at full speed, bumping our way to the base of the thundering falls, to end up completely slapped and drenched by the cool river water, beats by far any amusement park attraction. Cruising. If you are cruising, you are traveling in a boat for fun.
We are going to pause here, and on the next slide, you are going to answer. What images do the author's words create in your mind? So we're looking at the poem Better Fun, which is the last one that you just heard.